PJ, kamusta po kayo, Sir PJ? Where is Sir PJ? Ayun!
Hola, I'm here.
Okay!
Okay. Hi.
Ayun! Okay!
Okay, so first of all, congratulations.
Okay, thank you so much sa lahat ng ating fans. Mag-Q&A muna tayo. Okay,
Okay, so first of all, congratulations kay Khalid. Of course, kay Donnie and Belle. Congratulations for moving closer. Okay, so first and foremost, my question is, tell us about your partner, Donnie and Belle. Is he or she more of intense red or fresh green kind of person?
For context, Sir Felipe, kasi sa close-up, yung intense red, yun daw yung talagang all-out magmahal. Tapos yung cool green, yun yung parang chill lang, cool lang. So ano daw yung XP mo with Don Bell? Ano kaya nakikita mo? Is it intense red or cool green? Tama po?
Yeah, my question is for Don Bell.
For Don Bell, okay. For Don Bell muna, okay.
Intense
Intense
red
red
Or
or
cool green.
cool green.
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, saan sa set natin?
Parang both eh. Both, yeah. So, bakit naging both?
Mix ng kailangan.
Being intense and cool at the same time.
Oo, gano'n.
Yeah. Diba?
Dapat may qualities ka ng both.
Okay. So, totoo ba yun, Sir Philip? Is that true?
Sa napansin ko sa kanila? Or para sa akin ba? Pag ako kasi chill lang ako eh, so I think, cool green. Cool green.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so